And yes, it also helps to absorb topical product faster. I mean, so let's if you now there are some types of professional exfoliator. I am coming to that point. I am coming to now. There are sometimes Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to share with you about exfoliation, like what is exfoliation, why you should do exfoliation, types of exfoliation, and what kind of exfoliation should you do according to your skin types. So without any further detail, let's get started. Okay, so few times back I have made a video. The title of the video was what your skin needs and basic skincare guide. So उस वीडियो में मैंने बताया था कि मैं एक्सफोलिएशन के ऊपर एक अलग से वीडियो बनाऊंगी. So here I am. If you haven't watched that video yet, go give it a watch. Now let's talk about exfoliation. So let's start from the basic. Okay, like what is exfoliation? Exfoliation is a technique by which you can remove your dead skin cells from the surface. You can use anything. You can use a chemical substance, you can use a granular substance, or you can use any exfoliation tool. Okay, so this is what we call exfoliation. Now when you exfoliate your skin look brighter and it gives you a glow. And some types of exfoliation give you instant result. And yes, it also help you to absorb topical product faster. It means the product you will use after exfoliation that will absorb faster deeply into your skin. If you use exfoliation for a very long time, it will boost your collagen production so that your skin will glow better and your skin will look vibrant, and it also help in maintain elasticity of your skin. And also it increase the blood circulation, and that's why it reduce fine lines. You can do physical exfoliation with anything, like you can use any kind of loofah, your everyday loofah, pumic stone exfoliator brush, or any exfoliator tool, or you can use a scrub, or you can make it at home with brown sugar or coconut oil, or with coffee granules. And you can use charcoal based exfoliator if you have oily skin. I mean, not exfoliator, it's scrub. Okay, and this kind of exfoliation gives you an instant result, but sometimes people get irritation. It's because of you are not doing it perfectly. Okay, so do it in a correct way. But if you are using this since a very long time, it will give you a dramatic result. But sometimes also chemical exfoliator cause irritation. It's because you are not using it correctly. So always use it in a proper way, in a correct way. Now let's talk about some ingredient, like what can be the ingredient of chemical exfoliator. Okay, now it can be AHA, it can be BHA, it can be retinoid, it can be enzyme, and it can be hyaluronic acid, it can be salicylic acid. Okay, all of these can be the ingredient of a chemical exfoliator. Now this kind of acid or this kind of skin pills peel away skin surface and help new cells to grow, to generate, to enhance your skin beauty. It also help in treating acne and sun damage. You can do exfoliation once or twice a week. You can use physical exfoliator or you can use chemical exfoliator. There are some kind of professional exfoliator. Okay, before that I want to tell you that don't use a body scrub on your face. Okay, because your face skin is delicate rather than your body. So the body scrub will be harsher on your skin and it can affect you. So don't use a body scrub on your face. Use a body scrub for body and use a face scrub for face. Now let's talk about professional exfoliator. Like first is body scrub. professional body scrub is very similar to that scrub which we generally do, but it has a different kind of materials. Now and chemical peel, professional also use chemical peel to exfoliate your skin, but the acid concentration of that chemical peel is higher. It's so much higher than regular chemical exfoliator. Now the next professional exfoliation is derm planing, in which a dermatologist will use a scalpel blade to remove your dead skin cells, and they will cut your facial hair or your any kind of baby hair. Now the last type of professional exfoliation is microdermabrasion. Okay, in this method, dermatologist will use fine crystal or specialized exfoliation tool to exfoliate your body. Now let's talk about what kind of exfoliation you should use according to your skin type. Okay, if you have oily skin type, you can use exfoliation like you can do scrub especially generally after 1 or 2 days, but depending on your skin needs. If you have dry skin, do it once or twice a week. You can use a chemical based exfoliation like which has AHA, which is hyaluronic acid. It will work great for your skin. If you have acne prone skin, you can use salicylic acid based exfoliator, which will help you in treating acne. Now if you have normal skin type, you can use both physical or chemical or anything else, like you can use hyaluronic acid based exfoliator this week, and next week you can use salicylic acid based exfoliator. It will work great. So but there are some drawback of exfoliation, like if your skin is red or inflamed, or you get some sort of irritation even after using it properly, or if you have any medical issue, then stop using it immediately. Contact to a dermatologist. They will know your skin condition better than you. So we have covered almost everything about exfoliation. Like I have spoken about what is exfoliation, what is its uses, types of exfoliation, some sort of professional exfoliation. So now I hope this video was helpful. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope it was helpful, and yes, if you liked my video, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I will see you in my next one. Till then, take care, bye bye, and tata.